What's up, family? Tanya here. Look at what hubby got me for my birthday. I've always wanted a pop-up greenhouse. We have such wildlife around here. I stopped gardening for a while because we just, I couldn't protect the plants well enough. But this has been doing the job. I love it. It's called Outfine. It's a walk-in pop-up tent, and it is just, I love it. And I'm like 5'6". Hubby's 5'6". He's about 6'3", and he can easily come in here. And so let's see here. Let me show you. I'm moving into my new spot. The other day I went to Lidl. Lidl is like it originated overseas, and it's kind of like an Aldi in a way. It's a little better to me. And so I got these planters here, these raised bed planters. And then I put my, these are cabbages. I put my cabbage in some grow bags and just stuck them in here. I'm not ready to get these beds dirty yet. And then I need something I can just kind of move around if I wanted to. So I'm just going to start like that. I crowded my cabbage. I don't want them to get too huge. And it takes one big bag to fill these, of soil to fill these grow bags. So I'm crowding them right now. And I'm just kind of, experimenting, see, how well they will grow. Okay, so I got 4 of those. And then got some extra pots here. Yesterday we got some more soil. This is for like hubby's going to grow some watermelons. He saw me getting the garden ready. He said, okay, well, I'm going to grow some watermelons. So we got this at Lidl, $4.99 each. They had a good sale on garden stuff. So you got to jump in there. Like this stuff right here, $4.99. The price said $6.99 out. I'm sorry, it's first thing in the morning. I haven't had my coffee yet. But it said for $6.99. But I think with some of my points and stuff, I got them for $4.99 each. Still good price for $6.99. And I'm being careful because there's a lot of bees in here. When I was moving in stuff in here, a lot of stuff came in here. A lot of bees and wasps and all types of stuff. I don't know if y'all can see. All these flies came in here, but they're not even touching the plants. You see that? Wasp. I really don't have any pollinators in here right now. Okay, so in these grow bags, I put some, just planted from, I had oh, here's another little furry little bee in here. I had my collard greens in a cup like this. And I transplanted them into this bag here. Now, collard greens need a lot of room, but I put 6 in here. I'm gonna see how they do. They're taking root very well, very strong in here. And yeah, so the collard greens are doing well. Here's some basil. Here's some other seeds that I planted. I think these are cabbage. Carrots, tomatoes. You see the little tags. As soon as I watered these plants, the tags washed away. So I don't know what I have, but they're growing well. So I'm going to be transplanting them soon. Here's some romaine. I eat a lot of lettuce. Some more basil right there. Yeah. So I just wanted easy stuff to grow. I'm going to get some tomatoes, and these bees in here would love to pollinate those. But I just want stuff for their leaves. I'm not trying to worry about plants that are going to bear fruit. Just give me some leaves. In about 3 weeks, these will be ready. Everything will be like ready. I can, pinch off some leaves and throw them in my salad. So then hubby got me these racks too in here. You can stack them up high, or we're gonna just do them like this for right now. So this is where I put my supplies right now. And I have a little station here right now where I need all of my essentials. I have a thermometer in here I got from Dollar Tree. If you have a greenhouse, you need that thermometer. It's almost 70 degrees in here right now. It's very accurate. And I just have a carousel. I got my what is it? My apron and watering can and sprayer and all of that. So just see what's going on. I'm going to be putting plants on here. I'm going to need to bring in my I have a Rubbermaid cart, heavy duty cart that I used when I was catering. To I could just stack almost everything in that cart and only make maybe 2 trips at the most. So I think I'm gonna bring that in here. That'll be where I can store my things and actually work and replant and pot things. Okay, and here's another little, the other day I went to the store and got all the soil myself. I'm like, I can't lift all that stuff. So I got my cart, dragged it back here. So it's things you already have in your house you can, use to make things that are very useful in and outside the house. So see, there's a lot of room in here. But I'm just amazed at how many, in a matter of minutes, all these bees and stuff just swarmed in here. Okay, and here is one of those from Dollar Tree. When they have their supplies, their garden supplies, this is that rake. And it's really good. I was raking up some of the loose debris in here. This did a very well job. It's very stable. Okay, so that's what's going on right now. Okay guys, so this is Outfine pop-up canopy greenhouse. I do recommend it, and we got it from Amazon. Hubby got it for me for my birthday. I won't link it because people never use my link, so you can just go to Amazon and get it. For 3 years I would put stuff in my bio, link it, and nobody got it, so I never got a commission. So I think maybe somebody bought one thing in 3 years. And okay, so let's go in. Okay guys, just want to share a quick haul with you guys from Dollar Tree. I used my little birthday money. This is birthday bash week. So everything I'm doing is to celebrate my life. I'm so thankful for everything, but here are just some fun things that I got. The Dollar Tree has their seeds for $1. I love, onions, so I got some onions here. Got some cottage garden, wild flowers, hot peppers, some more flowers. These African daisies, those are pretty. Marigolds. And I got some pumpkins. I have like some those smaller pumpkin seeds. These are jack-o'-lanterns, so I'm going to grow those. You need a hat. I'm out in the greenhouse. I'm out in the yard a lot during the summer, so you need some cute little hats. They have some cute, just a little tie-dye ball cap. And I love my bucket hats. So I have one like that. And then I have this one, and then a black one, and I have a blue one as well. It's in the house. Okay, I have one of these on right now. It's really cute. Okay, so let's go around here. And I need these fertilizing stakes. So when you can get these, you get those. You just stick them in the plant, and they make great. They're good for like house plants as well. And these, you got to get these fast. At least in my area, we have some good gardeners around here. These plant clips, like when your tomato plants or your cucumber plants start growing up the vine, you need something to, if you don't want to like tie them with twine or something. I have twine too, I do that. Or you can just clip them to take the main stalk, the main stem, and clip them to the trellis or the string that you have. So got 4 of those. And then I think I showed you guys the rake here. You get this, they're separate. So you get that for $125, then you get the pole for $125. And then this rake here, you can also, this is an attachment. So you attach the rake to it. Or you can attach this little garden shovel to it. And then I have, this is a little trowel here. Or the transplanter. Have that. Got this garden tool hanger. $125. You see how on the package, how you set it up, and you can just hang. You set it up like this, hang it up like in the garage or something, and you have put your tools there. I needed a little mini umbrella, so they had those at the register. And then 4 of these cocoa core liners. These cocoa liners for my hanging baskets. All right. And then we stocked up on soil from Lidl, $4.99. These I already used 4 bags. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I used 6 bags already. Okay. And so I'm just trying to, everything I got for the garden. Of course, these new planters here. This is another one of my bucket hats here. All right, so that's all that's going on. All right, going on in Tuki's backyard, honey. So we're just trying to get it ready. Get a good jump start on these plants here. Okay. So this is what you get when you pretty much have done everything you really wanted to do in your life. You purchase cars and handbags and a bunch of junk, and all I ever wanted was a greenhouse for my plants, because I love being outside. And then also hubby got this raised bed, so it's working on that, getting the netting around it, because will nothing survive around here. We have birds and hawks, and you see these birds over here. We have birds, hawks, wild turkeys. Everything comes through our yard. Deer, cats. Okay, guys, so that's all I wanted to do. I want to share that with you, and thanks so much for your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Now, if you like this content, you like my vibe, hit subscribe, join the tribe, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.